Good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. We have another listing, guys. This is a commercial property or commercial lot building located in Poblacion, Bigon, Bohol. This is 3,150 square meters. Just few meters away from the Bohol Quality Superstore. So, doon kayo, no? This is ideal for commercial. Akbang ako dapit sa DIY. So, very close from DIY. The size is 3,150 square meters for a package price of 15,000 pesos per square meter. Net. Limpyo na yun, guys, ha? This is a corner, no? Corner property. Limpyo ba yun sila? So, murag, lugos-lugos sila musugot ang presyo, guys, pero mao na akong i-suggest nila, pero murag di okay ra itong isa, no? Kaya ito was kining 15,000 per square meter net, murag subject for approval sa other areas ni, guys, ha? Murag basin, pero sugot lagi siguro ni kaya okay man ang isa pusok-pusok ng tingog. So, ano na, so this is beside, no, sa kuan na dito. Then wala nang gas ano, gas pa na lang kanan, no? So the other one is the size is 2,000 square meter. So actually, guys, una hagamay. So this is going to Tagbilaran, no? So just a few meters away, no, from the first one, no, i-offer, no. This is 2,000 square meters. Titulado siya, guys. It's a titled property, still located in Barangay Poblacion lang gihapon, no. It's Putuhan, tawag lang Putuhan for part of Poblacion. So Barangay Putuhan. So buong Tagbilaran nisa, guys. It has 76 meters wide frontage. So that is the corner for going to hospital and so bang aning peryahan, guys, in front of the peryahan. Lalo na yung peryahan. This one, guys, no? This one. So this one, no? So that is 2,000 square meters at 16,000 pesos per square meter. Net lang gihapon, guys. Limpyo. Meaning this net is all expenses to transfer from seller to buyers from buyer side. So we have the last one, no, to also besides ako ang atong opisina, no, we declare as an office. So just only a third lot kay second lot magkudapit, second lot magina na po. So gamay ra siya road right of way but very close to kuan. So actually diri ra tama, no, makasud ang sakyanan, but if we will develop the road right of way dira gyud, so we can still develop, no, one way lang, one way. So this is 2,423 square meters at 3,000 pesos per square meter. Asking price na, guys, ha, asking price. So this one, no, this one ili dragid sa ato apod nga property, no. So by the way, guys, I'm here in Tubigon, Giwanon, Purok to Giwanon, Tubigon, Bohol. So this is the property, no. So that one is our office, no. So this one, no, this one, so the package price is 3,000, but I know we can negotiate them, no, at 2,500 per square meter. Pero maog yun na akong palit po diya, guys, tag 2,500, pero the owner says he just make it 3,000 per square meter, negotiable, meaning still the same, no, 2,500 per square meter siguro ni, pero di lang ko mo final, guys, ha, kanang diha na lang yun kay sa owner na lang, no, sa owner. So actually this is second lot. There is still another lot, no, beside of this property. Next to this lot is also for sale. It's 1,310 square meters. Next lot is overlooking to the sea na po siya at package price of 2.5 million. So 1.3 tong usa tax deck lang. Kini siya is a clean title. 2,423 square meters. Clean title yun siya. Guys, dahil naman guys. So, approximately 1 kilometer or 1.5
Bro.
kilometer from town proper, Sintro ba?
Sa naga kuan.
From the Tubigon. Then, from Tubigon to Seaport
Uy.
is 500 meters. Thank you.